Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Dogecoin with eToro, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Dogecoin using eToro, first, visit the eToro website or download the mobile app. Create an account by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill in your personal details such as name, email, and phone number. Choose a strong password to secure your account. Agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by eToro. Log into your eToro account once your email is verified. Complete your profile by providing additional information, including your country of residence and financial background. Next, you need to verify your identity by uploading the required documents, such as a government-issued ID and a proof of address. Wait for the verification process to be completed, which may take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once your account is verified, you can fund your account by clicking on the Deposit Funds button. Select your preferred payment method, such as credit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, keeping in mind the minimum deposit requirement. Follow the instructions to complete the payment process. With your account funded, utilize the search bar at the top of the page to find Dogecoin. Click on Dogecoin to access its trading page. Review the market data and charts to understand current performance. Now, click on the Trade button to open the trading interface. Specify the amount of Dogecoin you'd like to buy and review the order details. Choose either a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to purchase at a specific price. Finally, click on the Open Trade button to complete your investment in Dogecoin. Monitor your investment by checking your portfolio regularly on eToro. You can easily sell or adjust your investment at any time through the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.